oneownercarguy.com. I might make a different video here and put some stuff in it. This will be an actual video. We're just moving things around, getting ready to bring the Valvoline trailer in from San Diego. The scrambler and all that on here, moving signs around, got the truck out, street sweeper parts out. Rich has already moved all this stuff by the time I frickin' got out here. The guy's an animal. He's an animal, I tell you. Speaking of animals, we're gonna be moving animals. The dogs are being moved out of here. We had a big storm. It blew all kinds of trash around. Stuff got in there, dogs got it. I'm bringing this thing down, this trailer, it's the Valvoline, and we're gonna shove it right in here and tear it down. All the fences, tear down that building, and we're moving them over to the old pig stall. So that's the deal. Apple trees are blooming. What are you doing?
We're gonna destroy our dog's house.
We're gonna destroy their house?
Yeah, because we're gonna live there.
Yeah, he's right. We're gonna build a big place out here, and that's the whole goal at the end. Yeah. So lots of cars. I'll clip more in as we're moving. I thought I was gonna film moving these here signs, but he's already rolled them out of the way with the ball and the skid steer.
Yeah, could I be on the highest floor?
On the what?
Highest floor.
The highest floor, yes. We'll be on the highest floor. It's gonna be 2 or 3 stories, so we can be on the highest floor. Okay, I'll be back. And there it is. That's the beginning of it. This thing was a nice building, worked for many, many years. But the many, many years are over, and now it's junk. So we'll film some of tearing it apart. I think we're gonna try and save the top beams. I thought we were. I got no clue. We're gonna figure it out right now, though. All right, here we go. We're gonna tear this here chain link out. Been in there for over 20 years. Trying to bust the concrete out. And there he goes. He's gotta be still not under it. We went pretty deep. Wanted to keep the predators out, dogs in. There we go. He's still buttered, man. It's in there. It's in there 6 inches. All this concrete's coming out. There we go. First little rung is out. This stuff's gonna be looking different here in a while. I don't know if I'll speed this up or what I'll do, but just wanted to make a video. Did a lot of dogs over the years. I love having them. A lot of people that are on my subscriber list for the last 15 years or so have seen Breeder, my personal little dog. Damn, dude, I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of that. We poured some concrete in here. We weren't messing around, son. That's all there is to say about it. Need to get a backhoe. Getting that pole out is going to be a bitch. I think we put him down. Oh God, it must have been a foot. You working too? Whoa, whoa. Glad knows we're tearing it down. I'm going to build a place here. There we go, there we go. Yeah, baby. Whoa, how did that go? Dang, boy. You're hitting like a 10-year-old. Be careful. Be careful. Just the door that's not unhooked. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Yeah, I'm proud of you for being strong, but not when I'm not around.
Oh, I'm gonna do some hammering.
Whoa, buddy. There we go. Come on now. Hey.
Come on, Richie.
Come on, Richie. There we go. The minute Rich gets to work, Vladimir wants to be out talking to Uncle Rich. Calm down, buddy. Dang. You put some damage to that, aren't you? Okay, stop, stop. That's enough. Last time I'm telling you. Wait for me, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
And where she's taking all of the grass out of the floor to...
All the grass.
That's a gate.
And the gate and the fence and everything.
Yeah. Guys, this is so bitchin' cool.
It's bitchin' cool. Where'd you hear that at?
I learned it
From where?
all by myself.
All by yourself? You don't think it was YouTube maybe?
I learned it all by myself!
Oh, okay. No.
Dad.
What?
Can I explore more of the building?
Not right now.
Done.
Well, he's done. We're gonna have to help get this fence rolled up.
Okay.
This is quite a job here, buddy. Be very thankful that we have a skid steer. We're very blessed.
And guys, if next time you want to help us, then help.
Stand right here. Stand right here. If you want to talk, stand right there while we're filming the tractor. I gotta film the tractor. There we go. See that ground just move. Yeah, buddy.
That's so cool, guys.
Oh no! Well.
You actually bend that?
Yep. Pick it up, I want to show it.
Whoa, yeah, that ain't good. Try to straighten that out. I don't know if you ever do that.
I don't know if we could ever straighten that out.
Wow, you
Well, that's the
I've tried
side.
on that thing before. I never bent one like that.
Well, that one right there was the one that was already bent, wasn't it? Yeah.
Well, let me see it.
But we still got one fork. Hang on. He's gonna try and bend it, but I'm gonna get back. Get over there. Come here. Get out of the way. That didn't do much to it, did it?
Wow, that's done a lot of damage to a tractor.
That did a lot of damage.
Our tractor is broken now. This,
Trying to put all the weight. Come here, come here, come here. Fly, get back. We're going back as far as we can. You know why we're getting back, right? Well, no, that thing could break. The fork. Yeah. That's why we were standing back before, because we don't trust that metal. I can't believe it bent that fork.
well, we don't trust.
Well, that's a close-up of the damage. I am absolutely amazed that pulling this post out of the ground 12 inches did that. That's crazy. All right, this is what we got it mounted to at this point. And now that building's got to come down. So let's see where we go with this. We're switching out forks now, and we didn't fork the forks up. So we'll see how that goes. Gonna raise the roof, baby. That's all there is to say about it. The roof is gonna raise. And there's really no way to save that metal the way we made the roof. So tearing it up is about the best thing we can do there. What a pain. I think we built this thing 25 years ago, 22 years, 23, yeah. Basically, the exact moment the building fell down, my camera went off at the 5-minute mark. So that's what I got there. Sorry about that.
Website and bidder disposal for a list of all acceptable material. Our general trash drop-off rate is $34.50 per cubic yard, 1 cubic yard minimum. If you are inquiring about residential pickup, move off the ticket for our drop and call for the offer. That's 406-363.
All right, I came out to kind of film a little bit more and kind of put an ending on this video. The building's up on blocks. That's the deal. We got it up on blocks. All the kennels torn down. Got most of the fox blocks moved. And I'll be glad to get this thing out of here. It was nice. It just kind of, geez, what is that, 22 years ago. So, and the building was on the property here, but we moved it from another place here. So all this is open now. I'm not sure if I want to put the Valvoline in here, or if I want to pull it in basically where Richie just moved the blocks to, but they need to be over here anyways. Maybe move one row, because we can only, well, no, not move nothing, because we can't move it here anyways. The tree, I could trim the tree and bring it right in here, and so that would put it about right here, to have room to drive the skid steer down. So it'll leave me this space, but it'll leave me more space up here because my fence goes all cattywampus. So I might make a video on that or something. I just wanted to show parts of tearing it down, what it looked like before, what it looked like after. And as you can see on this side, if I bring it in on the other, if I bring it in on this side, I'm gonna lose a little bit of a corner there. Not a big deal, but here, I'll lose all this right after the front wheel of that truck. I'll have some stuff I could put in here. It'll just be hard to access. So placement and stuff, we'll see. We sure pulled a lot. Rich has been busting his ass out here on this. It's definitely been a lot of stuff going on. And I'm gonna show back here what we're planning to do. Geez, this kid's crazy. He's hanging on the frickin' fence. Huh. Got a metal pile. I'd take all my metal and throw it away and take it to recycle it. What are you doing? But it ain't worth it. No middle fingers.
Middle finger family.
Middle finger family, huh?
Middle finger. That's the middle.
No middle finger family right now. Hi, puppies.
No, I'm doing a middle finger.
They sure protect and keep the... We moved them up here because they keep out the critters, man. We're going to use this... Hello, baby. Beagle juice. We're going to use this back here. You going to open it for me? Okay. Let's show them closer up. We're basically going to take this building down below here. We're going to sit it right on this here trailer with some glulam log beams and just take it down there with a little short pickup truck.
And I have a jacuzzi.
You got a jacuzzi. That's right. We got the jacuzzi working. And I'll tell you what. The lilacs are in full freaking bloom, buddy. I got a huge pile of stuff down there. We're just going to leave it sit. I might push it to a different area. I don't care about it. I'm going to forget about it until we start using that down there. Well, Vlad was wanting me to show the jacuzzi. He got a jacuzzi. 140 bucks at the auction. Brand new.
Butter. Middle finger
I told you not to do that right now. Vlad wanted me to show his jacuzzi. He got a jacuzzi at the auction. It was from the Paws Up Resort. Brand new, never installed. 140 bucks. Got a lot more than that and hauling it home and hooking it up and buying the chemicals and all that. He came out here this morning. He had a hair all ready to go. He's in his bathing suit. Had a cup of coffee. He says, Dad, I want to go sit in the jacuzzi and drink my coffee and look at the skyline. I'm like, let's go. Sounds good to me. So, redneck paradise. But he's having a blast with it, and I'll tell you what, it's a professional type too. I mean, this is a serious commercial model. This ain't no home model, but it ain't got a surround. So I think we're gonna get like cedar fencing or something, redwood fencing, and put around it to hide all the uglies. But it's nice, it's new, and I'll tell you what, had it up at 104. Pretty nice.
Selling it.
Not selling it.
Very hot.
Very hot, not selling it. I'll tell you what, heck of a view sitting in your jacuzzi.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna tear out this choke cherry tree because it ain't doing me no favors. I'd have a lot better view without the choke cherry tree. Well, thanks for watching. That's a quick whatever of tearing stuff down. There's gonna be a lot going around, a lot going on around here this summer. So that's the deal, and spring. Thanks for and early fall. We're gonna do as much as we can until the snow's flying and froze on the ground a foot deep. So thanks for watching. Have a great day or night. Subscribe, like, comment, and check out my other videos. There's like 6,000 on here. I'm sure there's something you like. We'll talk to you. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are.